From smart tech to everyday game changers, here are some of the coolest Amazon gadgets you need to see. Let's jump right in.
For a powerful, efficient tool that makes your work faster and easier, meet the Protmex Cordless Impact Wrench, your new go-to tool for all your heavy-duty tasks. This 1/2-inch impact wrench is designed to deliver top-notch performance with its 3-speed modes, making it faster and more convenient to use than traditional wrenches. Whether you're tightening bolts, working on vehicles, or tackling farm equipment, the Protmex wrench offers a quiet, smooth operation that's up to 60.5% more efficient, with a runtime that lasts 70.5% longer than competitors. Equipped with two 4.0 amp-hour battery packs, this wrench ensures you can keep working for longer periods without constantly recharging. And with its 517 foot-pounds of torque, it has the power you need to handle tough tasks effortlessly. The built-in LED light is a game-changer for working in dimly lit spaces, so you can see exactly what you're doing no matter the environment. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this cordless impact wrench provides the reliability and convenience every professional needs. If you're looking for a tool that's both high-performing and easy to use, the Protmex Cordless Impact Wrench is a premium investment that will make your jobs more efficient and hassle-free. Tired of messy desks and clutter? This desktop vacuum cleaner is here to keep things spotless with its incredible 360-degree ascending wind and powerful suction. Designed for efficiency, it comes with multiple nozzles to make sure every corner of your desk stays immaculate. After just a short charge, its built-in 1200 mAh rechargeable battery offers 3 to 4 hours of uninterrupted cleaning. Despite its compact size, this little dust sweeper packs a punch, easily sucking up dust and pet hair without any noisy operation. With a simple one-button design and easy maintenance, it's the perfect tool for quick, hassle-free cleanups, making it a must-have for any workspace. Looking for a secure, portable way to protect your valuables while on the go? Meet the Slide Headrest Safe, the perfect solution for safeguarding your essentials in your vehicle, without compromising convenience or security. This innovative headrest safe offers the ultimate peace of mind by keeping your firearms, documents, electronics, and other valuable items safely tucked away. What sets it apart is its unique design that fits seamlessly into your car's existing headrest. No need to remove or alter any of your vehicle's components, and no messy bolts or tethers are required. Just slide it in and you're ready to go. Security is top-notch, featuring 3 access options: biometric, keypad, or a hard key, allowing you to quickly and easily access your items when needed. Whether you're in a hurry or just prefer extra security, this safe offers the flexibility to suit your needs. And with its matching driver's headrest, the Slide Headrest Safe remains firmly in place while you're driving, but is easily removable for when you need to take it with you. Lightweight yet highly durable, the Slide Headrest Safe ensures that your valuables are always within reach and fully protected from prying eyes. Whether you're in the car, at work, or traveling, you can take your peace of mind with you wherever you go. Transform your gardening routine with the Kutal Tying Tool, a revolutionary gadget that makes securing plants to trellises effortless and lightning fast. Say goodbye to tedious tying and hello to streamlined efficiency, as this tool lets you complete up to 45 ties per minute, saving you precious time and energy. Engineered to handle a wide range of plants, from delicate grapevines to sturdy tomato stalks, this versatile device ensures your greenery stays securely supported on any trellis structure. It uses biodegradable wire wrapped in a paper sheath, offering an eco-friendly solution that doesn't compromise on strength. Each spool provides approximately 1,000 ties, capable of holding up to 17.6 pounds, so that you can tackle even larger plants with ease. User-friendly and dependable, the Kutal Tying Tool operates with a simple attach and press mechanism that makes tying tasks quick and hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice green thumb, this tool eliminates the frustration of manual tying, letting you focus on nurturing your plants. Arriving with a starter spool of wire, it's ready to use straight out of the box, giving you everything you need to jumpstart your plant support tasks. If efficiency, reliability, and ease are what you value, this tool will elevate your gardening experience, making it an indispensable part of your arsenal. As the demand for mobile, flexible, and compact tools continues to rise, manufacturers are stepping up with innovative solutions that are transforming the way we work. Take, for example, the pump attachment designed to elevate the functionality of regular cordless drills. This clever accessory delivers a flow rate of 3 liters per minute at 120 revolutions per minute, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. Crafted with chemical-resistant polymer hoses, it can withstand harsh conditions, including prolonged exposure to motor oil, ensuring both durability portability and reliability. With 1-meter-long hoses, it offers comfortable operation, making it a practical tool for professionals who need versatility in their equipment. This attachment is a valuable investment for anyone looking to expand their toolkit, reflecting the industry's shift toward more adaptable and efficient power tool solutions. Looking for a reliable way to keep your belongings dry and safe on your adventures? The Matador Stuff Sack is your perfect solution. This water-resistant sack is expertly crafted with durable materials, ensuring that your items stay protected even in the wettest conditions. Whether you need to store wet clothes, muddy boots, or toiletries, this sack has got you covered with its leak-proof design. Plus, it comes with a handy silicone keychain case, making transport easier than ever. A must-have for anyone who loves the outdoors, this versatile sack combines practicality and convenience, making it an essential for every adventurer. Designed with professional painters in mind, these tools are the result of valuable feedback from experts in the field, tackling a wide range of construction challenges across the globe. The painting multi-tool is a game changer, perfect for opening cans and boxes, cleaning paint rollers, and effortlessly removing old paint with its versatile blade. The updated version also includes a putty knife featuring a secure locking mechanism to ensure safety and prevent accidental folding. Affordable yet reliable, these tools have become essential for painters everywhere. With an impressive 20 million units distributed annually across 15 countries, their enduring popularity speaks volumes about their dependability and performance. These tools are built to last, making them indispensable to any professional painter's toolkit. Step up your plumbing game with the Milwaukee Cordless Drain Cleaner, a tool designed to deliver unmatched freedom and convenience. Say goodbye to tangled cords and the hassle of finding an outlet. This drain cleaner lets you tackle clogs anywhere, anytime without restrictions. Engineered to handle a wide range of plumbing tasks, it accommodates pipes from 1.25 to 3 inches in diameter, making it ideal for everything from sink drains to main sewer lines. One standout feature is its innovative cable drive system, which automatically feeds the cable, saving you from the strain of manual operation. Plus, the fully enclosed drum keeps all the mess contained, ensuring your kitchen or bathroom stays spotless during use. Equipped with a robust 35-foot cable, it easily navigates through most common household clogs. Powered by an efficient 18-volt battery, this tool is part of the Milwaukee ecosystem, allowing seamless battery interchangeability with other Milwaukee devices for added practicality. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional, the Milwaukee Cordless Drain Cleaner is a game changer. It combines power, portability, and cleanliness in one compact package, making it an essential addition to your toolkit for stress-free clog removal. Calling all bicycle enthusiasts and bike shop owners. This tool is an absolute game changer for your toolkit. Imagine combining the versatility of a multi-tool with the precision of a torque wrench. That's exactly what this tool offers. It ensures accurate torque control for every bolt, preventing the risk of over-tightening and possible breakage. With a torque rating of 16 Newton meters, it's ideal for working on various bike components, including pedals. The tool comes with 12 different bits, each neatly stored in a handy pocket on the tool case. This smart design minimizes assembly time, allowing you to spend more time on the saddle and less time fumbling with tools. Weighing in at just 200 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it perfect to carry along on rides. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool is the ultimate solution for reliable, efficient bike maintenance and repairs, ensuring your bike stays in top shape for every ride. Say goodbye to the hassle of searching for the right tool. This 130-in-1 screwdriver set is designed to simplify your life with its powerful performance and incredible versatility. As the most complete set on the market, it features a built-in magnetizer to keep those small bits, screws, and accessories from getting lost. The clever box-in-box design includes an additional sub-box to neatly store smaller items. The handle, with its anti-slip texture, ensures a secure grip, while the flexible shaft allows for smooth rotation, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast, this mini screwdriver set is an essential tool for electronics and everyday repairs. Perfect for trips and daily needs, it's the ultimate companion for all your fixing jobs. Elevate your cutting tasks with the Knipex Pipe Cutter, a trusted favorite among craftsmen worldwide, celebrated for its exceptional quality and performance. Engineered from premium, high-grade materials, it has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it delivers exceptional performance and durability in real-world conditions. Whether you're working in a workshop, tackling home projects, or operating on site, the Knipex pipe cutter rises to the challenge, meeting the high demands of professionals with ease. Its versatility makes it a go-to tool for a variety of cutting applications, seamlessly combining reliability and efficiency. Built to perform and last, this pipe cutter is a valuable addition to any toolkit, offering the perfect balance of practicality and excellence. Designed to handle your most challenging tasks, it redefines reliability for all your cutting needs. Looking for a way to keep your workspace spotless while tackling tough tasks? The Viper Vacuum Cleaner Scraper is a smart and effective investment. This innovative tool easily attaches to a wet-dry vacuum, ensuring that all the dust, debris, and dirt stay contained as you work. It's particularly great for stripping away layers of paint, plaster, and other materials, handling thicknesses up to 6.4 millimeters with ease. Made with fiberglass reinforcement, the Viper Scraper is designed for long-lasting durability and reliability, making it perfect for a wide range of home improvement projects. Whether you're renovating or performing regular maintenance, this affordable tool boosts both your efficiency and cleanliness. It's the perfect addition to any workshop or home, keeping your work environment tidy. Step up your plumbing game with